Hi everyone, my name is PH Kumar and I'm currently pursuing a computer science and communication engineering student at KIT University. Recently, I've completed a full stack development course through the 30 Days of Coding platform, and I'd like to share my experience and how it has helped me in my learning journey. The course was an incredible learning experience. It covers essential technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and MongoDB. One of my favorite moments was building real-world projects such as dynamic web application and responsive UI. The hands-on approach really stood out for me. Each lesson was followed by practical exercises which helped me immediately apply what I learned. Debugging my code, experimenting with new features, and watching my ideas come to life were some of the most rewarding parts of the journey. The structure was also amazing, breaking down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. They provided clear explanation, coding demonstration, and even tips for industry best practices. It was like having a mentor guide through my very stage. Completing the full stack development course on 30 days of coding has been a game changer for me. It gave me the confidence to tackle real world coding challenges and apply my knowledge to actual projects. For example, during the course, I have built a fully functional expense tracker app and virtual assistant using JavaScript. These projects are not only reinforced my understanding of front end and back end development, but also added valuable assets to my portfolio. Moreover, the structured learning path of 3 days of coding helped me stay consistent and motivated throughout the process. The platform's interactive assignment and project-based learning made the experience both engaging and effective. In conclusion, the full stack development course on 30 days of coding has been incredible stepping stone in my journey as web developer. I have gained practical skill, built amazing project, and grown as a problem solver. I'm truly grateful to 30 days of coding for providing such a well-designed program and would highly recommend it to anyone looking to enhance their coding skills. Thank you.